this your house?
Was. Past tense. Everything's past tense. The house was waiting for my my furniture. all of these things are like memories. Sometimes I feel like I'm digging in my own ashes. But I was strong and adaptable. I was a pilot. I'm just looking for the pilot's license.
Was a pilot's license a piece of paper?
Yeah, a little card.